Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn about the chef fillets. So here is my cursor on chef fillet. I'm going to open this tab over here. Okay, so here are various types of fillets. The first one is chef fillet, second one is edge fillet, third one is variable fillet, fourth one is caudal fillet, fifth one is styling fillet, sixth one is face, and the seventh one is trident fillet. In today's video we're not going to cover the styling fillet and face fillet because we not mainly use these two types of fillets in our BIW design. Okay, so going to the first, the chef fillet. For this we require the surfaces. I'm going to create the surface by using point and line method. I already teach you taught you the how to create this point and by using point line method surfaces. So if you haven't seen that video, please go and check. Okay, here I have created two extrudes. I don't require any point and line, so I'm going to just hide that. Okay, so I just open this shape fillet, and here uh, it shows support 1, support 2, so you have to just click on the faces. Now here I have clicked on the faces, and here these two arrows which already shows the direction. What that means? That means the fillet will be come over here. Okay, if you want fillet on this side, then you have to swipe its direction from this to this. Okay, let me show you on CATIA. I just going to click here preview and going to change its value. So now the radius is 10, and you are able to see on this L these fillets are going. I want if I change this or arrow direction, I'm going to click or preview, so you are able to see. Then the transparent is going to be removed, and here is my fillet is going to come. I'm going to click here OK. So I hope you understand this shape fillet. Now the moving to the next, I require the two surface again, and the second fillet name is edge fillet. For this I need to create a one edge here. For this I have to use uh, the another command, which is trim. I'm going to trim these two surfaces. I'm going to click OK. So here is now one edge is created. Now I'm going to the use edge fillet and selected this edge. So you are able to see here is my edge is selected, and I'm going to change its radius value is from 5 to 20. So this is how you can use edge fillet. So there is a mainly difference between shape fillet and edge fillet is you have to create another one pre-operation, which one is trim. So to provide edge fillet you require a trim operation first. Okay, and there is a drawback for the shape fillet also. If by mistakenly someone by mistakenly I have changed the arrow, then the whole part history will going to be changed. That's why personally I don't prefer the shape fillet. I use trim and then edge fillet. Okay, so it's vary from company to company, or it's depend on how you work. From for the my understanding purpose, I will use the trim and edge fillet. Now moving to the next, the variable fillet. It is same as per the edge fillet, but you can change its uh, uh, radius value from one end to another end. Here you able to see I just selected the variable fillet. Now you are able to see from one end and to second end. So here is one end at 20 radius and end is at 40 radius. So I just double click on it, and I will able to change here. I'm going to click OK and preview. So you are able to see. So at one first end here is a 20 mm radius, and at second end 40 mm radius, and here is a small smooth curve is created. Okay, I'm going to click here OK. So you are able to see here is a small here is a smooth curve is created. So what if I don't want smooth curve, I just want a straight line. So you have to double click on the variable fillet. You are able to see here the variation. You have to just change from cubic to linear and click on preview. By clicking preview, you are able to see the difference between cubic and linear. So here is our linear, which is going to a straight line, and cubic is a smooth curve. I'm going to click OK, and here is how you can change from cubic to linear. Okay, so here is another point. What if I want at this edge is 20 mm, at midpoint also 20 mm, and at end I want 40 mm? So this is possible. You have to click on the edge fillet again. Now you have to click here the points. Okay, so this is another one pop-up is getting created. You have to right click over here and choose a midpoint. If you want at mid, then you can directly use this, but if you want at 30 mm from first or 60 mm from the second point, then you have to choose this point. Okay, now I have choose this point. Now I'm going to change this from coordinate to on curve, because I required one point on this curve. Now I'm going to choose this curve, so you are able to see here is one point. Okay, for your better understanding, I will just going to click here middle point and going to click OK. So you are able to see this radius is 40, so I have to change it. I'm going to change to its value from 40 to 20 and going to click OK. So you are able to see here 20, here is mid is 20, and at end is 40. So I hope you understand this variable fillet. So now moving to the next one is caudal fillet. Caudal fillet is also same like edge fillet. Then you have to just click here the edge and you have to click here OK. Right now I can't show you the difference between edge fillet and caudal fillet, but in the upcoming videos I will definitely show you what is there is a minor difference between edge fillet and caudal fillet. I will show you in my upcoming videos. Okay, now the next one is tridangent fillet. So what is tridangent fillet? For the tridangent fillet we required three faces, like 1, 2 and 3. While using that command we need to select the first face, this one. Okay, second face in this one, and third face is top one. When we click on this top one, then it will be get removed and it will create a one smooth radius like this. Okay, I will show you on the CATIA. So here is my trim. So you are able to see I don't have any extra surface, so I will going to create that quickly by using offset command. So I'm going to offset by just 30 mm and going to hide the extrude. So you are able to see here is already one L is created by using trim operation. So I have to create a C. That's for this also we need to use the trim operation. I'm going to select the first trim, then surface, and going to click OK. So you are able to see here is one C is created. Now I don't want this face. Instead of this face, I want a smooth fillet here. So that's why we're gonna use tridangent fillet. Okay, now we're going to select the first face, and the second face is side one, and here you're able to see the faces to remove, and I don't want top faces, so its color is going to change. And if I'm going to click here preview, you're able to see here how our radius will become, and I'm going to click OK. So here is how our radius is come. For tridangent fillet you don't need to provide value, because it will create by just using your offset value. You if you change its offset, it will automatically change its fillet value. I hope you understand the all fillet commands. If you have any doubt, please comment me down. Uh, I will try to answer in comment, or I will create a separate video for the specific command. Please share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.